Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to play Blox Fruits with a controller on PC. First, connect your controller to your PC via USB or Bluetooth and ensure it's recognized by your system. Then, open Steam, add Roblox as non-Steam game, and enable Steam input for controller support. Launch Roblox through Steam and start Blox Fruits to utilize controller functionalities. Then, use the left stick to move and the right stick to look around in game. Next, press the left stick to toggle sprint and double tap it forward to dash. Utilize the D-pad, up for stats, left for observation hotkey, down for enhancement hotkey. Assign abilities X for ability 1, Y for ability 2, B for ability 3, LT for ability 4, and RT for attacks. Then press A to jump, LP or RP to cycle inventory, and the right stick to change the camera view. For improved dashing, consider using a rubber band on the joystick to assist with input sensitivity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.